Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Dayang binti ROSBIN. My metric number is BB2211055. So today I will be explain how to put the chart in the Excel. The three chart is the charm chart, parity chart, and also the contract chart. So let's move to the tutorial how to make the chart. The first chart is a current chart. So let's see how to recreate the current chart. Okay. The first chart is a current chart. So as we see at the screen, there are four columns. First one is task, secondly is date start, the third one is end date, and the last one is the duration. The task will start with the 1 until the 8 task. So there's 8 tasks. So before we start to create the chart, current chart, the first thing we really must to do is calculate the duration between the end date and the date start. So the first duration for the task 1, we can calculate using this one, sum C3 minus B3. So it equal to 4. So it the same goes to the other task. So we put it at the bottom, so we can get the total duration for each task. So select this one, let start, go to insert, and go to the chart, or this one, recommended chart. Go to all chart and choose the bar chart, and choose this one, the clustered bar, the started bar. Click OK. After this, you can see this bar chart. Okay, right click, select the data. In the legend entry series, click add, click duration, and for the series value, select the duration from the task 1 until the task 8. Click OK. For the access level, edit, and select the task from the task 1 until the task 8. So click OK and OK. So you can see this, the orange color is duration. So we must get out the color one, fill, automatic. So you can see only the orange one is in this chart. So as we can see, this task start with the task 8 and the last one is task 1. So we must to change it first. So right click, format axis, and search to axis position. Choose the category in the folder. So you can see the task start with the task 1 until the task 8. Finish. Next, we change the title of chart. After that, for the date, we must change it first. So to change, we select this the earliest date. We copy in right there, and the last date of task, and copy into this one. So select this one, go to the small arrow in this side, go to the numbers and select the general and click OK. So after that, we right click this one, the date, go to the axis option, bounce, change it to the number that we get from this one, 5723, and this one, so 73. Okay, so we can get the Gantt chart for this. Okay, so you can see this is a Gantt chart from the 17th March until the 20th of April. Next, let's move to the second chart. The second chart is a parietal chart. So as we can see, there are 4 columns for each category. The first one is defect type, started from A until G. The second one is the frequency with the different numbers. The third one is percentage, and the last one is a cumulative percentage. So the first things we must do is to arrange this defect type and the frequency from the largest to the smallest amount. So the first one is select this one, go to the data, go to short, go to cell value smallest largest to the column B. Okay, select the sort by column B, order the largest to the smallest one. Okay, click OK. So as we see, there's the arrangement from the largest number to the smallest number of frequency. So after that, we must calculate the percentage. The first one is like sums 30. Before that, we must sum all these frequency first. So this one to the sum. So the sum is 100. So we can calculate the percentage. And to calculate the percentage like this. Percentage, this one divided by 100, and okay, this is the answer. But we want to take all this. You can see this is kind of the amount is not correct. So let out. We calculate again. 34 divided by 100. After that, we get in the middle of B and 1, we get in the dollar symbols and click the enter. So you can see this is 0.34. Then we put it onto the bottom. So you can see there's a percentage, but in the decimal point. So next we calculate the cumulative percentage. For the first one is just write down it 30.04. Okay. And for the second one, calculate like this: sums this one plus this one. So answer is 0.59 and drag it to the bottom. So we can see the cumulative percentage, but we must change it first, this one, to the percentage symbol. So as we can see, there's a percentage between for the column percentage and the cumulative percentage. So let's move to how to make the chart. The first one is select the defect type and frequency and all the control, and select also the cumulative percentage. So go to the insert, recommended chart, all chart, go to this chart title, first close, select OK, and what we can see, there's a chart. Click in the yellow one, go to format axis, go to the right click, go to the series option, click the secondary axis. As you can see, this is like this. Right click on more, select the chart, change series type, chart types, choose this one and click OK. So you can see this the cumulative percentage. Before that, we must change this percentage to the biggest one. The biggest percentage is 100, so we must change it first. So right click, this one, go to the axis option, change the maximum to the one only. As you can see, the highest percentage is 100. After that, we change the title. The last one is change the title chart. Okay, let's move to the last chart. It's a control chart. As we see, there's 5 column: project value, mean, UCL, and LCL. UCL refer to the upper control limit, and LCL refer to the lower control limit. First of all, we must find the mean for each value this. So mean equal to average, and select the value from the project 1 until project 12, close the bracket, and this is the amount of mean. Secondly, the standard deviation. So standard deviation is equal to standard deviation for sample Also select the value from project 1 until 12, close the bracket, and list amount of the standard deviation. So thirdly is upper control limit. To find it, we must calculate like this. Select the mean plus open bracket 3 times the standard deviation, close the bracket, and that's the amount of upper control limit. The last one is lower control limit, equal to mean minus open bracket 3 times standard deviation, close the bracket, and that's the amount of the lower control limit. After that, we select this amount and key into the table. First one is mean 7.63 and drag it to bottom for each project. Also the same for UCL and LCL. Okay, so we can see the amount of the mean, UCL, and LCL. So next we select the value mean, UCL, and LCL. Go to the insert, find or just the line chart, 2D line. After that, we can see this is the control chart for the example of the control chart. So we can change the title first. Besides that, we also can change this line to add some data labels and so on.